Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening web.telegram.org. When you open the site on your phone, you'll be prompted to log in using your phone number. If you encounter issues with this method, you can choose to scan the QR code by selecting the appropriate option and following the on-screen instructions. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll see your Telegram messages and channels. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then select Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down to find Privacy and Security and click on it. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the Privacy and Security page until you find the Sensitive Content option. Check the Disable Filtering option to turn off the filter, allowing you to view graphic and violent content. So that's basically how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.